Why does your scanner show the P2080 engine code? What does it mean? P2080 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit range, or Performance Bank 1 Sensor 1. This engine code indicates that the range or performance issue within the sensor's circuit. This sensor is crucial for monitoring exhaust gas temperature, especially in vehicles with diesel particulate filters, DPF. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor, wiring and connector issues, PCM problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F-150S, Nissan Titan, and Nissan Rogues models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.